Welcome back. I don't even know what to tell you about this. This is my editor's truck. Got it up here in the shop for a minute, hot minute. But got the engine out, got the tranny out. Word of the wise, if you're concerned about your engine, fix it before you have to pull the whole damn thing and rebuild it. But hey, you know, nothing like a brand new top end. So there it is. I got some of my custom handiwork rigging on there. Good night. That was painful. All the wire harness, all the connective lines, all the hydraulic lines, all the transmission lines and oil lines. Everything had to come off. That was probably more time consuming than pulling the actual engine. But anyways, y'all, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned. Stay salty. Have a good night.